Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that I'm sure a lot of you have asked yourselves at one point or another. Where is my Paysafe Card PIN? Now, I know that this might seem like a silly question, but I get asked this all the time. And to be honest, I can see why people would be confused. Paysafe cards are prepaid cards that you can use to make online purchases. But unlike a credit card, there's no PIN number associated with them. So where does the PIN come in? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. The PIN for your Paysafe card is the 16-digit number that's printed on the back of the card. That's it. There's no other PIN that you need to worry about. So now that you know where your Paysafe card PIN is, you can start using it to make online purchases. Just enter the 16-digit number at checkout and you're good to go. But what if you've lost your Paysafe card PIN? Well, don't worry. There are a few things you can do to get it back. First, you can try contacting Paysafe customer support. They can help you reset your PIN or provide you with a replacement card. Second, you can try checking your email. If you purchased your Paysafe card online, the PIN may have been sent to you via email. Finally, you can try checking your bank records. If you used a bank account to purchase your Paysafe card, the PIN may have been printed on your bank statement. If you're still having trouble finding your Paysafe card PIN, you can always contact Paysafe customer support for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.